Hey, welcome back to another video. It's been a minute, but I am back. Today I'm going to be installing a new cold air intake on the Supra and giving you a slight little tutorial on how to install it. This isn't a how-to, but I'll try to make it as clear as possible so that you can understand from the video and do it off this if you need to. So right here I have the injen cold air intake. I got this one from Tukes. He got the AWE one. He didn't need this one anymore, so I picked it up off him. So I'm gonna be giving you some before and after clips of how it sounds. So before we head over to the shop, let's hop into the car, get a few sound clips of the stock intake, and get things going. All right, I got the microphone mounted up in the engine bay. We're gonna go for a quick ride, see what the stock one sounds like. Once we get over there, we're gonna meet up with Nick, install the new intake, and then get some comparison clips afterwards. All right, here we go with the last pull before we get to the shop. Alright, so I'm going to give you a little run through of what we're going to do real quick. We're going to first unclip this sensor, then we just got to get this hose clamp off. Got to get this other clamp down low over here. If you can see it, I'll get a better view in a minute when we get the airbox out. And then start throwing the new one in. So now I can probably give you a better view of what this here. There we go. Now we got this little clip back here. Just gotta get a little flathead, squeeze it in there. Is? Yeah, dude. Hey, don't you see it? Right there? Little supercharger.
Making this real difficult. That's what I'm good for.
Alright, so I'm gonna pop this clip off, I'm gonna get this out, and then we're gonna start installing the new intake. Honestly, if it breaks, whatever. This is not the right way to do this. All right. This may be the right way to do this. One of the bolts that I needed wasn't with it, so if you look under here where Nick is at the moment, oh yeah, there is one little hole over there. So, oh, there we go. Now it's lined up, and we found, where did it go?
I don't know if it's gonna be. I haven't touched it. I don't know where the fuck you put it. No, it's right here. Oh. That's definitely way too big, Tristan. You kidding me?
No, that looks fine.
Bruh.
That looks fine. Jam it in there. We're gonna go find a smaller bolt.
We found a nut and bolt, and we're definitely not cross-threading it to fit right now.
And now we just put that filter on. It's actually pretty clean. We got it in, we're all done. Looks nice and pretty now. I'm gonna hand the camera to Nick and I'm gonna go start it up. Now I'm gonna set up the microphone in the engine bay again so we can get some nice sound clips so I can show you the difference between stock and the new one. All right, here we go.
That sounded cool. That sounded dope.
I like it already.
Well,
I can't see shit, because why are all these people parked here? What is there, a flare going on? Oh, let's hear it. Ready? Woo! That sounds good.
You didn't like you? Yeah, no, it does sound good.
Now we're stuck that I like though. Basically. Let's go over here. That sounds really good.
Sounds cool.
That sounds really nice.
There goes $10 of gas.
Basically. Maybe 20 at this rate. I don't know.
No, that's next week.
Like the flutter?
Yeah. Are you in sport mode?
Nope.
What are you doing?
Would it make a difference in sport mode?
You get backfires and it sounds way fucking cooler.
True, I would like to also hear the flutter though. Alright, now we're in sport mode. That's why I love this car, dude. That's all I can do. It does sound really good though. What a difference. So that just about wraps it up for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If this helped you in any way, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
We found a nut and bolt, and we're definitely not cross-threading it to fit right now. Mm-mm.